Good afternoon, dear guests. Welcome to the Sunshine Uzbekistan. My name is Aizaz, and I'm a PhD student of Tashkent Irrigation and Agriculture Organization of Engineers, National Research University. And today I want to talk about my project, the FuseIT, Intellectual System of Water Purification. And we believe that water is cheaper than air if we use our technology. And let's talk about the problem. In 15 years, in Uzbekistan, the price of meat rising for 47%, like seeds and crops for 23%, and vegetables for 34%. Main reason is degradation of soil. As you know, it's just to give a big shot for the prices of agricultural products. It means that farmers can take enough from their work. So what the main reason of this decreasing? In the soil fertilizing in Uzbekistan decreasing from 0.25 to the 0.62 for health, 50%. We lost the 50% of all the soil which we had. And farmers lost 80 tons per hectare in Uzbekistan. And it's a very big, yeah. And only way is just the water purification. If the water is bad, soil is bad. So we have a problem, and so bad, they're very expensive. Because we take from Germany, from the Chinese, from the Russian Federation, and this price for the farmers, of course the first farmers, young farmers, which don't have any investigation money, it's a very big problem to make a filtration in the water. So here we have a special construction. We built by ourselves a special intellectual system. Here we put special sensors for the source of water and make analysis according to our algorithm, and then make a correct way of water purification for irrigation, not for drinking, but for irrigation. It means that we can economize the capacity of water filters. It means that it will be not so expensive. Here you can see the some five. We need only one pump. Here we take electric energy, and other places are just make it mechanically. We have mechanical filters, walls, and water come for the tank, and then make a mixing of water, salt water, and pure water, and have irrigation water, and can use. But most important is using the special controller system with a remote sensing. Why? Because we have a lot of cotton, as you know. Main economy side is the selling of cotton resources. And farmers must wake up at 3 a.m. and go into the field and make irrigation. Here we have a special chance. Only one short message service, just pump on. We send the SMS and then start the irrigation system. Okay, where we can use? Here you have a special map with a red color where we have a problem of water and soil degradation according to the south. And here in our market we have a more close to 4 million people. It's 28% of all labor force of country, and 132 farmers, and have 75 clusters, and the market total size of $500 million. It means that we have customers and farmers where we can use. And our model of using is from business to the client, for farmers, for clusters. We give the device for rent or sell. Why for rent? We make 83 interviews with the farmers, and they have a most important problem with their wallets. They don't have enough money. So we give it for $270 per month for renting this purification system. And give a special service for first using, because it's a new technology, new device. We show how it used, but it's very simple. Farmer must just push the bottom start, and purification is starting. It's not difficult. Here, our results. Now we sell 2 sets for Bukhara region, Kogan, and have a patented all the methods program, and have a special construction recommendation letter from Development Technology Laboratory of Ministry of Innovation in Uzbekistan, and have a contract to selling 2 devices I told you for Bukhara. And here, thank you for your attention. If you have any problems, here, any questions, not problems. Here my mail from Telegram, and in the QR code you can take all information that you need. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
It was fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 minutes. You're still. No, you told you that I have time. I just say most important points. That's all.
Yeah.
Why do you talk so fast?
You have a piece of time.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so it's against salinization, right?
Yeah, against the water salinization.
Okay. How
And
does
soil.
it work? Like with filters? And
Yeah, we have a pipe from pump, water pump, go to pipe. For pipe, we set up three special sensors: pH sensor, TDS sensor, and bacterial identification sensor. We just put it for water, and it's start to identification how dirty is water, and then make a correct algorithm of purification. Here we have 6 filters, 5 mechanical filters, 5 stages of mechanical purification, and then we'll go to reverse osmosis filter. If we have a very dirty water, it means that we can use a very bad water for irrigation. Because I go to Kırklareli'stan region, I was in Sırdarya 4 years, I have a special experiments, and maybe you think I'm 27 years old and I'm a PhD student now, and I make a lot of experience. I have experience and make experiments, and then I know that water is a very big problem in our country. So let's imagine that farmer just find the water, it doesn't matter which type of the water, put our super device, set up, and welcome to the irrigation. It's our idea. It's idea which I believe and which I made.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thanks.
If you have it's mobile. It's mobile. It's mobile. We can move because in the fields we don't have electric energy in Uzbekistan. It's not me that our country bad, but our fields very big. So yeah, only one solar panel for one water pump. Pump is focused for 3 atmospheres. It means 120 volts. It means one panel is enough.
And what is the capacity?
One capacity, 1,000 liters per hour.
Per hour.
Yeah.
And there are like any current example of like this device implemented in rural area?
Bukhara region, Kagan, Hall of Akman, farmer field. It's a rural area because it's Bukhara. If you go there, you know how salt water they have. So, next one is his neighbor. He see how he used this device, and then they come to and say, in Uzbekistan, business made like that. According to the gossips.
Of course.
Yeah, he say that my friend have a good device. Come on, I want it too. And calling and have this not so beautiful device, but functional device. Yeah, we don't have money to make it like an iPhone.
Okay, maybe like a mistake. So like to rent is like 270 monthly, right?
No?
To rent the device is 270 monthly.
Yeah.
And what about like to buy the device? Sorry.
To buy?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's $3,200. And we have 3 years of technology support for free.
3 years.
Yeah, because I believe that it's worked normal for 3 years. Because I sold one of them 2 years ago, and no one called me and say the bad words that I need to come back and take off this device.
How many did you sell for now?
2, only 2. Yeah. Most important, I have some marketing problems because I'm engineer, not a marketing expert. Someone else. Yeah, I need to do my dissertation and take a science. Yeah. Degree, and I don't have the time to do this.
And how do you monitor the salinity of the soil all the time to see if it's working?
As I told you, we have here recommendation. They make a laboratory analyzing of water. Is it known because it's very dangerous if we don't use it correct? Because we have potato, we have the cucumbers, we eat it. If something go wrong, and maybe I will have some new bracelets in my hands.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm scared because, as I told you, 9 years. It's my old result which I have. I wasted my 9 years life, bachelor, master degree, and PhD. So, and I know all the details in my device, and I'm master here. So, yeah, if you have any question, you're welcome.
No, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So like, from my side, like that's it.
Yeah, that's okay.
So if you maybe then if you can provide like this presentation to us, so you
Yes.
can like send this presentation to us.
Yeah.
So like you can share, so we have like this presentation safe. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day and welcome again to Uzbekistan. What else?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're late.
Oh yeah, I'm a teacher. I need to go to lesson.
Oh.
Yeah, I have.